Gibson and eastern Obion counties. At 7:36 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Kenton, or 8 miles southwest of Martin, moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include South Fulton, Dresden, Mount Pelia, Latham, Ruthville, Sharon, Ralston, Schaffner, Brundig, Terrell, Kisga, Masseny Grove, Kenton, Fredonia, Hinsworth, Gibbs, Martin, Chimney, Greenfield, and Big Cypress Tree State Park. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 8:30 p.m. for the following counties in Tennessee: Obion and Weakley. A severe